Okay, so most of my income um, still does come from my partnership with Amazon, and Amazon has been a okay partner. Um, we're all doing quite well, but uh, Jeff is stepping down, and I wish him best of luck. He's still gonna run the company, but he's gonna do it more from the sidelines. The new guy will do more of day-to-day stuff. Jeff is gonna do more of the visionary and his new projects like Blue Origin. And I wish him best of luck, and I hope the new guy works hard for me. So, because I want to be a millionaire now, not later.